Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Skulbah Northeastern Hill University minta kaya kendo mau siang. Background pedang Khim Khait hadim kejing bamdan Vice Chancellor ha office kejing inok kam dangshan pro Vice Chancellor ke Shillong campus kejing bamdan ke registrar nang ta su finance officer kad hadu bagi kam kejam hapo ke Skulbah kila sakut lot. Hakabe day bar kini kino hilam jong kino hikai kino Tura bar ke samla puli ke Skulbah Nehu kere unpin sngau ha umintri ke tanan puli buthi ke sarkar jilla ubalak men rumboi banwat kila Kyntait ban weng ke jing jongan ke Skulbah jong sarkar pedeng ke badan hanong ba Shillong. President Nehu Teachers Association u Professor Lakon Kama hakajing kerm bilar pathai kubor haka atri kulaling kod arajar punriu ulong bagajing bomdon u Vice Chancellor lani wat u Pro Vice Chancellor ki kam ki sa tenglon nadu kajing penmi yek result undergraduate master degree PhD badi ki bill pair ki badan kam bansoi Ulai thoru baga Pro Vice Chancellor Tura ka feminine ke marak kala Kyntait mardor banwan shimti ka kamshanong ba Shillong what happening gini gijing baga Skulbah klia kendo kani ken hon kala mahamru balada ka Pro Vice Chancellor kamla ban shimti ka kam kumbala benshat kadi ban hier mardor na kashuki kanang ban ailat ya ulani ka senior most professor ban shimti kum ulani ka acting VC
from Nehu, the KSU Nehu unit, the Nehu Non-Teaching Staff Association and Nehu Teachers Association. We have come and met the Education Minister, Mr. Lakman just to express our frustration as a university, because as of today in the university we don't have a VC in station, we don't have an in Shillong campus, we don't have a Pro VC, we don't have a registrar, we don't have a finance officer, nobody is there, and the university is running on an autopilot mode. There is nobody to take decisions. There are a lot of things pending, the results, PhD results, master degree results, UG results, fellowship bills, all sort of medical emergencies that are coming up. There is nobody to take a call. Why? Because there is nobody sitting in the chair. So this is a very, very, frustrating kind of situation that we have never encountered. I'm sure you will never hear in any central university, because the statutory provisions are there that when the VC is not there, the PVC should perform the duty, and when PVC is not there, the senior most professor will perform the duty of the VC. Now, in this scenario, what has happened, which you all know, is the Shillong PVC resigned on the 15th of December, and since then he has not come to work, so naturally he has resigned. Now, but then, so in Nehu right now we have only one PVC. See, it may be she might have Professor Familin Marang might have been appointed for Tura campus, but university is one. So since we have only one Pro VC, the statutory provision 2A51 says that when the VC is not there in station, the Pro VC will perform the duty of the VC. Now the onus is on her to come and perform the duty of the VC in the headquarters. Now we as stakeholders have written to her almost 15-20 days ago, requesting her to come and perform your duty in the headquarters, but she chose not to respond. Only thing that you have heard in media is she doesn't want to make a comment. Now this is a very, very, I would say, a very tricky situation, because there is the statute which I have just mentioned, 2A51. It clearly says that when VC is not there, the PVC will perform the duty of the VC. Now, she cannot choose to be a PVC of Tura and not perform the duty in absence of the VC. So, if she doesn't want to, she has to resign from the PVC Tura job. Once that is there, then we have the third option in our statute, which says that when the Pro VC is not there, the senior most professor will perform the duty of the VC. But to reach to that extent, we don't want to go right now. So we have requested the minister and to through his good office that please do whatever you can, because after all, this is our university. This is one state of Meghalaya, and the jurisdiction is only within the state of Meghalaya. So to impress upon her that she has to, if she wants to continue as PVC, she has to come and perform her duty here. If not, she has to resign. Or she has to give us in writing very clearly to all the stakeholders that she doesn't want to come to the headquarters. Now, once that happens, then we know that we have to explore the third option, which is that when the Pro VC is not there, the senior most will take a call. But right now we cannot take that call because she is there. Now when she is the PVC, she cannot say, I will remain PVC in Tura, but I will not perform the duty in the headquarters. That cannot be because the statutory provision says that you have to perform the duty of the VC when VC is not in the station. And we all know the VC is out of station for last 422 days, although he is drawing full salary. We don't know where he is staying right now. Well, provisions, the statutory provisions, and he was, it was nice for him also to know that earlier they were having some other thought, but now they know that there is an in-house, inbuilt system which says that when the VC is not there, the PVC, whether Tura, Shillong, or the wiser community college that we have, whichever campus it is, that person can perform the duty of the VC. It is inbuilt already. So we made aware the fact that this is the statutory provision which is already inbuilt. The suo motu, somebody can perform the duty if you are a PVC, and when PVC is not there, the senior most has to do it. So we have made, and that I think he have understood the gravity of the situation, and I do believe that he will use his good office through the CM, and maybe they will meet maybe Professor Famlin and try to convince her. Worst case scenario, if she is still reluctant, I think she should resign. That is the only. There is no way she can continue as a PVC and not come to the headquarters. It is a violation of the same statute that has appointed her. So that will be totally illegitimate. So if she doesn't want to come to Shillong, she has to resign.